Let me take you to another adventure. Today I'll be taking you to a cafe right under the bridge in the town of San Jacinto, Pangasinan. We came across this by chance when we were passing by, and I can immediately feel that I love the vibe of the place. It's a little cafe with an outdoor garden dining space and an indoor air conditioned space. They serve a lot of pastries, coffee, milk tea. They also have a few pasta that is ready to eat. They have this cute little mirror too, so we ordered different things to try out, and this is what we got. We had their rolled up lasagna, which is good, okay, a lot of sauce, but it could have been a bit thicker. We also tried their cupcake and their chocolate cake, and I can say that they are very good with their pastries. We tried their mocha coffee, a vanilla latte, and their fruit tea, and the drinks were also good. It's quite calming to be in here and look when the sun sets and the lights turn on. It's really mesmerizing and it's cool outside. It's just a bit loud because since it's right under the bridge, you can hear the cars passing by. But still, it's nice.